Hi, welcome to this video. I'm going to guide you through how to download Pinterest videos on PC. So go ahead and open up your browser and select a video to download from. So let's just try to find a video here. Let's just type a video, our search result, right? So this is an example video, right? Now what I'm going to do, I'm going to hit share as if I'm sharing it to other social medias. I'm going to copy the link instead, right? Go ahead and search download Pinterest videos. You're going to click the first website, Pinterest video downloader, paste the link that you just copied, and please wait for a few moments, and you can hit here, download the video. Wait for a few moments here, and then you're going to be able to download it on your device, or excuse me, on PC. So consider liking this video, subscribe, and until next time, see you.